Hey guys, thanks for coming back. Today is March 20th, 2020, and before we get started with our new math lesson today, I wanted to go over a problem from yesterday that I noticed a few of you had a little bit of trouble with. So quickly, we're going to go over yesterday's problem, 124 minus 46. I'm going to show you first, we're going to show 124. Okay? And now we're going to take away 6 ones. I can't. I don't have enough. I'm going to come over to my tens. I'm going to unbundle my tens. And I'm going to bring it over here. And I'm going to draw 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I have enough to take away my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now I want to take away 4 tens. Do I have enough to take away 4 tens? Nope, I only have 1 10 left. So I'm going to come over to my hundreds and I'm going to bring it here, and how many tens am I going to draw? 10 tens. 10 tens make up 100. So 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm ready to take away 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer was 78. Okay? I just wanted to show you guys that problem really quickly before we move into today's lesson, which is more of the same. Here is our first lesson, our first problem for today's lesson. 175 minus 56. And I've already set it up for you guys. 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. Okay? And we take away 56. So the first thing we're going to do is look at our ones. Do we have enough ones? It's always the first question that you kind of ask yourself. Do we have enough ones to take away 6? The answer is no. So I'm going to come over here, get my 10. I'm going to bring it over here. And we're going to separate it into 10 ones. Okay, now do we have enough ones to take away 6 ones? Yes, we do. So we're going to cross off 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Now we're going to come to our tens. We need to take away 5 tens, okay, or 50. So let's see if we have enough tens to take away. We're going to cross it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many are left? 1. Now don't forget about this 100. Did I have to unbundle my hundreds? No. I still have 100 here, so we still have a 1 over here. So our answer is 119. Now I'm going to show you what that would look like on the whiteboard if you were doing it at home on your whiteboard. Okay, so I've got my board all set up here. Okay, 175 minus 56. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a magnifying glass around 175. This is because with subtraction, we focus on the top number. That's the number that we draw and that we start out with. So we're going to draw a magnifying glass here just to kind of say this is where we're focusing, okay? Now I'm going to draw 100, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 5. Okay? Now I'm going to come here and I'm going to take away 6 ones. Can't do it. If you remember, we just did that. So we're going to come over here. We're going to grab this and bring it over. We're going to draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Now how many ones do we have? We had 5, and then 10 more is going to give us 15. So here, I'm going to draw 15 up top. Okay? And now, how many? We only have 6 here. Okay? All right. Now we're going to take away, let's cross out our 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now we're going to take away 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1. And we still have our 100, which just comes straight down. So we have 119. Okay? So this is what it would look like if you were doing it on your paper. Don't worry, we're going to do one more together. Okay, our next problem is 115 minus 56. So we're going to go ahead and draw our magnifying glass around our top number here, and this is going to be the number that we draw. So 115. Okay? Now, we always start with our ones. If you said ones, nice job. We always start with our ones. So we need to take away 6 ones. Do we have enough? No, we don't. So we're going to come over here to our tens. And how many ones am I going to put here? Can I just take a couple? I only need a couple. No, I have to take them all. If you're going to take a 10, you have to take all 10 ones and put them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I'm ready to cross out my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 ones left. Now, and this was 15. If you would have counted all these ones, I had 15 there. And this is, I don't have any, this is over here, so there are no 10s. So do I have enough to take away 5? No, I don't. I'm going to come over here to my 100, bring it here, and I'm going to draw 10 tens. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to have 10 tens. And I'm going to cross out 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so my answer is 59. I want you to pay attention to how I have spacing between my circles. I'm not making my circles super big. They're not super small. My 10s are nice and straight, and they're not too squished together. That's where you make really simple, easy mistakes, when you squish your numbers together or you squish your 10s together or your 1s. So be really careful about that. All right? Now we have a word problem, and then I will send you off on your way to get started. Here is your word problem that we're going to do together. All right. Mrs. Tosh baked 160 cookies for the bake sale. She sold 78 of them. How many cookies does she have left? So this is another subtraction problem. Her total amount that she has is 160 cookies. That's the amount she's starting with. She sells 78 of them. So she's taking away 78 cookies. So 160 minus 78. I'm getting my hundreds, tens, and ones chart set up. This is what you'll do on the exit problem. You will need to set up your own exit or your own 100, 10, and 1 frame for yourself. And yours will look similar to mine with different numbers. Okay, so 160 and no tens, no ones, okay? Now I need to take away 8 ones, no ones to take away. So I'm going to come over here to my 10. I'm going to drop 10 ones. Okay, now I'm going to cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 2 left. Now I'm going to cross out 10, 7 tens. I don't have enough. Come over to my 100. Bring it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm ready to cross out 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, 6, 7. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and this is my answer. 82 cookies. She has 82 cookies left. Okay, now you are ready to go to the exit ticket and you will have problems, 2 problems, and again you will say, did you unbundle the tens? Did you unbundle the 100? And in this case, did we unbundle our tens? Yes, we did. We had to bring one over and we unbundled. Did we unbundle our 100? Yes, we did. We had to bring it over and unbundle it. So we unbundled our 10 and our 100 in this problem. So for your problems, you will have to say if you unbundled a 10, yes or no. Did you unbundle 100? Yes or no. And then you'll answer a word problem at the bottom. I can't wait to see your work. I hope you're learning, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for joining me. Bye. See you tomorrow.